this is what dreams are made of. Well, at least my dreams. So this is now the third attempt to come up here. When it was snowing, right when we got up here, it just started dumping. Like, I hope you can tell. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what it looks like. I hope that this kind of gives it some kind of justice. I know that photos and videos never really give it 100% justice of what it really is, but check this out. So amazing. Here's the gang along for the adventure. We all went together the first time, then it was just Mark and I the second time.
There was no snow last time.
Yeah, I think that's what the holdup was that it was meant to be that all three of us were in this together.
I mean, you couldn't do it without me, that'd just be mean.
And this guy would surely have thrown it in her face, for sure.
Yeah, he kind of did, even though it didn't snow. So.
Definitely on all counts, mission accomplished. But now, one of the things left to do is actually make it back down the mountain safely.
That's the, yeah.
But I mean, this really isn't anything compared to how the conditions were in Colorado. But I don't know, we'll see. It's often when you don't really anticipate anything happening, that's when things happen. That's why I'm anticipating.